Doctors say their offices and hospitals are packed with people suffering from the flu. What they want you to know about this year's flu season coming up.
Well, emergency rooms are filling up as flu season reaches its peak.
Yeah, but what about this year's vaccines? Are they working well, or are they targeting the wrong strain? CBS 2's Rachel Kim spoke to an expert to find out.
And all of a sudden it stepped up in the last 10 days. Just about every other patient in the ICU now is diagnosed with influenza A or B.
Dr. Radhakrishna has been busy seeing patients suffering from the flu. She's the director of infectious disease with Dignity Health California Hospital and says as the flu season is beginning to peak, doctors have found that this year's vaccine covers most of the A strains, but just 50 to 60% of one type of the B strain. That's the one people are getting sick with most these days.
Until recently, Tamiflu was the only prescription I was giving. There is another medication called Baloxavir, which you can give, and it's a single dose, one time. All of these medicines work if they're taken within 72 hours of onset of symptoms.
The symptoms can make you feel miserable, but Dr. Radhakrishna says some people who are going to see the doctor don't actually have the flu.
This is the season when upper respiratory infections are prevalent and all the other viruses are also starting to rise. When you test people and it's negative for the flu, no treatment is given other than fluids and hydration.
Some advice from Dr. Radhakrishna. If you have flu symptoms, call your doctor. If you can't get out of bed and are dehydrated, go to the ER.
The ICUs are full. We realize that, just about every one of them who is so sick to be in the hospital has not been vaccinated. It doesn't mean that vaccine is protective 100%, but it does give you some coverage, and I think everybody should get vaccinated.
Doctors say young children, pregnant women, people with heart disease, or anyone with compromised health should get a flu shot. They say it is not too late. Reporting from Studio City, Rachel Kim, CBS 2 News.
And it's not the weather that gives us the flu.
I was about to mention that.
Were you
but
really?
Not want to confuse the subject.